Hey guys, welcome back. I have two bags with me today that I just got in the mail from Amazon in the US, and I'm really excited to share these with you. I just took this one out. This is the 12 little on-the-go backpack in the Cactus print, and I was kind of curious about this one because I wanted something a little different, and I hadn't seen this one on this particular print on any of the review videos or anything, so I thought I'd give it a go because it's kind of funky. And this is the Maman backpack, and this was only $45 off Amazon US, and it was like a third or a quarter of the price of this one. So I just wanted to share with you guys my first impressions about these two bags as I've just kind of taking them out of the packaging. So I'll start with the 12 little. This is actually a lot bigger than I expected it to be. I find the quality of the material is just so nice. It's really kind of soft and smooth, and this is very squishy, this handle right here, which surprised me a little bit. And then the backpack straps are very squishy. It's kind of like a, I guess you would if you got like a quilt, that type of thing. It's not the typical memory foam that I'm used to on the other backpacks, but it is kind of, it's very thick, which is really nice. So it does tend to fall forward a little bit. That's the first thing I noticed. I think because there is a bit of a curve on the side right here, which I know Mummy D pointed out when she was doing her review on this bag. So I'll get a better idea once I pack it up, but you do have like the faux leather little, I guess these are faux leather. It could be real leather. I'll have to have a look. Little tassels, and this just pulls right off, which is nice. And there's this little ring here. So I do really like the accents. This is a very nice kind of blush, subtle pink. It looks very pale in the camera, but it's actually really nice. It's not as obnoxious as I was thinking it might be. So if you've seen any reviews, you'll know kind of the outlay of this bag, but there's a nice zipper here. Oh, the zippers are really, really smooth. So you do have a little key tag thing right here, and you do have a nice kind of open pocket there. You've got insulated, nicely insulated bottle pockets actually. I can feel the insulation on those. And as well as on the other side. You can feel that there. And yeah, so let's have a look on the inside. Okay, so of course you got all the packaging on the inside because they like to pop out these bags, which to me, I guess that keeps the shape, but there's always so much to take out. Okay, so it comes down far enough by the looks of it. You've got a long mesh pocket, which I don't know if I'm a big fan of that in the back there because I find those are kind of hard to use, but I don't know, maybe I'll be able to put nappies or something back there. And you've also got this nice zipper here, another little zipper pull, and of course you've got all the characters from the 12 Chinese zodiac, which everybody's pointed out in all their videos. There are two zipper pulls, which is good. Okay, so this is a webbed material down the bottom here on this, and you do have a pocket back here which is designed for traveling to go over suitcases because it does open on either side, on either end. Pull all these up. So many zipper pulls. Okay, nice and smooth zippers. Even though they're nylon, they're really nice and smooth, and even the metal one was nice and smooth. So there's a nice, oh, this is very padded. This bit here, right here, is the padded part. This is just the part of the backpack, but this is actually really roomy pocket, as a lot of people have pointed out. So I'm really happy with the print. I think it just is really cute, really nice in person, and yeah, I'm really excited to pack this up. I might pack it up for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Tuesday, yeah, so I'll have Clara, so I'll pack it up for Clara and I. Oh, I like it. Okay, so the other one I've got is the Maman, which is here. And I will put the links to both of these bags in the description below. As I said, this one was only $45. And I liked the kind of look of it. I'm not usually a quilted bag person, but this one looked actually kind of nice. So, and it has some good reviews as well. So I think it's not as tall as it, you kind of puff this out a little bit like this. But it does have nylon zippers like this, but I really liked how this opened. Oh, it's pretty big inside. You can see that. I don't know about this lining print. I don't know. But I might be able to get over it. There's a nice change pad comes with it. And some nice organization. Okay, so there's a good slip pocket at the back there. And two pockets. It's kind of hard to see, but 2 pockets here, and then 2 pockets, same pockets at the front, and then a zip pocket. Let me surround this, except a zip pocket there. So it's got insulated pockets, really big insulated pockets on either side, which is kind of cool. And then a front, kind of like the 12 Little on the go backpack. Kind of like the same pocket, but this opens up really nice. Oh, you've got a little slip. Got some internal organization here, actually. It's hard to show you. I'll have to, when I do a packing video, you'll be able to see better, but there's like a slip pocket there. Another one here with a little Velcro kind of elastic thing that goes over it. So, and then the backpack straps I thought were really nice. Okay, so these are typical memory foam. Nice grab handle. This is like a leatherette grab handle. These are kind of cool. These are designed to go onto your stroller. So they unclip and then you clip them over the things on your stroller. And I just thought that was really kind of a cool little invention. Yeah, so very kind of simple bag. I think once I pack it out, you'll see how it's shaped a little bit more. But yeah, so I'm excited to try that one too. So I don't know which one to try tomorrow. Probably the on the go, because I think that looks kind of really cute. So there you go, guys. Quick unpacking, and I hope you like that. And I'll talk to you soon.